Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Miu Miu in a Christmas costume. So we've drawn Miu Miu before, so this is her in a different costume. So we're going to start with the eye. The eye are just two small circles inside a bigger circle and another bigger circle to cover all of them and another circle around it. So the outer circle is for the black shades which we need because Miu Miu is a panda, and now the nose and the mouth is actually quite simple. If you follow all of my videos, you've already drawn numbers of this kind of mouth and nose, and now the face, and now let's start drawing the head. Now, Miu Miu has a very cute head with a pink bow on it, so don't forget to draw the pink bow as well, and the ear. Here is a Christmas ornament. And the ear here as well, don't forget that. There we go. Now let's start drawing the costume. So the costume has a ribbon with a star in front of it, so I'm going to start drawing that because that's the most complicated part of her costume. There we go, we have the ribbon and the stars. Now I'm going to continue with the rest of the costume, starting from the right arms. This is basically a modified Santa costume, I think, to make it cuter with the additions of the ribbons and the star. And now the arms. And the hand. There we go, it's wearing a mittens because it's winter and it's cold. And the other hand is holding a Christmas candy cane, Christmas sweets, which has a ribbon also on the base, and the shape is basically a spiral but with a star on top of it. So I'm going to draw the star first and I'm going to finish the rest of the spiral. There we have it. And now the rest of the costume, I'm going to draw the skirt, which is very fluffy because like all of the hems of Santa's costume are actually very fluffy, so the skirt is also very fluffy, and that actually makes it really cute. And there we have it. And now the legs and the shoes is over here. Now I'm going to add the blushes under her eyes, on her cheek, and we're almost done. I'm just going to shade her eyes to make her looks more alive, and the shade inside her mouth as well. And now for the black around her eyes, because again Miu Miu is a panda, so we need that. Careful, just around her eyes, and now the ears as well. It's also black. There we have it. Now I'm just going to do the outline for the character. Just going to be very careful, very slowly around, making sure I don't cross any line. Here's a bit tricky, but got it. Around the stars, around the ribbons as well. Almost done, and there we have it with the outline. And now a bit more white to the eyes to make it more pop. And almost done a bit more. And the nose as well for the shade. Oh, forgot to add the polka dot pattern on the ribbon, so I'm going to do that now. And there we have it, Miu Miu in a Santa costume. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!